Good evening, Farmer Joe here. The evening's just falling in here now, as you can see there. And I can tell you something, and I mean this, very cold. My hands are freezing. Face is freezing. This little fella, I have a lovely little hot water bottle for him. Haven't I? Any kiss for me, Ty? Any kiss for me? Never lets me down, that fella. There's my other pal there. But you know, social media is where all the business is to be had nowadays. And let's be honest about it, I'm watching all the people building on social media and it's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I'm watching them all. Food influencers, pavers, builders, dancers, you know, comedians. I'm watching them all grow on social media and I want to be part of it, to be honest with you. I'm at a late stage in my life. This is why I'm promoting Farmer Joe through social media. And when people see what I have, hopefully some of these people will follow me. Because I have a lot of knowledge in food and I have a lot of knowledge in exercise. And I'm going to start putting up a few exercise programs soon. They'll see me skipping on and skipping up at my age and they'll say, look, I'm 60, you know. Well, look, at the end of the day, if you're not part of social media today, there's a Robin had to come down to us. If you're not part of social media today, you're missing out. But always remember one thing. The switch off point, getting that phone out of your hand, that's what my game is all about for families, which they'll find out in the long run. And it's all about healthy eating as well. And when they bring it in and play an hour or two the weekends with their family, they'll see the enjoyment they'll get out of what I have produced. And I know it's organic, it's original, you know, it's very unique what I have done. But listen, I will say one thing, and I'm watching 3 of the people that I follow at the moment, these are all away on holiday. These are away in different countries. I won't mention any names, but I'll tell you, I admire the work that you're doing on social media because I wouldn't know anything about any of the work, whether it's paving, whether it's music. I wouldn't know any of the work that people are doing. But when I see what they're doing, even fighting, when I see what they're doing on social media, I think it's class. And us Irish people, we're well known worldwide. You go to any country in the world, there's an Irish bar. There's an Irish bar for one reason, for their personality and the crack. That's the only reason. So you can buy drink anywhere. You can buy drink in every little village in the world. You can buy drink, but you can't buy the Irish crack. You can't buy the Irish fun. You can't buy your personality. It's very unique. You know what I mean? And any of us that are born in Ireland, we're very lucky. Very small country, 5.5 million people. You know, we're very unique people. And we export very well around the world. With everything. Whether it's business, entertainment, like the Irish dancing has gone worldwide with Michael Flatley. You know what I mean? It's worldwide. Not only him, but a lot of others. Gene Butler, there's a lot of other people that are doing it now. And you know, Irish music has gone everywhere. The Furies, you know, U2, you know, any of them coming up now, Dan McCabe there, Little Johnny Joyce, Sharon Ward, you know, the Tumbling Paddies, all the Irish music, the Wolf Tones, the Dubliners, the Furies. We've sent music all over the world. That's the Irish crack. And to be involved in that and to see it all on social media is fantastic, as well as the Irish dancing. And that's why I love being part of this generation, watching all this social media develop, you know, and get on, you know. And look, but I will say one thing to you all, and I mean this, and if you're busy on social media, a lot of you get out in the open air, I can see swimming, running, whatever. Get out to the open air. Trust me when I tell you. If you're busy 3 and 4 hours a day on a phone, which you have to be if you're going to build a social media presence and followers, but in the meantime, get out to this as well. Switch off and get out to nature. Now listen, Farmer Joe in Dublin, this is the best part of my walk. Freezing cold here. I wish us all the very best of luck. I hope you do all very well for 2025. All the businesses. These are fantastic, genuine people. And listen, have a nice day. Farmer Joe.